Hello viewer, welcome back to my KDP low content channel. Today we are going to talking about why your books are not selling on Amazon KDP marketplace. So every day thousands of books sell on Amazon platform, but we are not getting sale very well. If your books, especially low content books, are not selling, you are doing something wrong. So in this video I want to explain 15 reasons why your books are not selling. So our first reason is approaching your Amazon KDP business with the wrong mindset. Reason 2, not understanding your niche or targeted audience. And reason 3 is inadequate keyword research and optimization skill. And our fourth reason is inability to create good book titles and subtitles to rank on Amazon KDP. And our fifth reason is creating low quality or repetitive book interior that do not meet customer needs, and this is also a misleading content. And our sixth reason is creating poor cover design instead of great cover that increase book sales. That means high quality cover that sells very well and poor quality cover design that not good sales. And reason 7, inability to hire professional designer to produce high quality product. You cannot hire a professional designer to produce your quality product. That is the reason you do not get a good sale on Amazon KDP. And our eighth reason is poor use of 7 backend keyword. So this is most important to get rank your book on Amazon. You chose 7 low competitive keyword for your book. And reason 9, poorly written or badly formatted book description. And reason 10, inability to price your book correctly. You do not define your book price correctly. That is the another good reason. And 11 reason is getting fake or scam review instead of gathering genuine customer review. So that is a spam. So you do not spam, you do not scam review instead of genuine customer review. And reason 12 is lack of proper launching strategies for your books. And reason 13 is no A plus content or poorly designed A plus content for your book page. And reason 14 is not adding your books to more categories or adding books to oversaturated categories. And reason 15 and the last is inability to run Amazon ads to promote your books. So these are the 15 reasons. When you fixed all of these 15 reasons, you may have taken care of the immediate factors affecting your book sales. Many other factors may be affecting your book sales. So first of all, you fixed all of these 15 issues of your account, and I hope you will get a better output from Amazon KDP marketplace. So if you have liked my video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit my notification bell icon when I can share more ideas about KDP low content business. So thank you so much. Thank you all.